First of all, import requests module, and request module comes by default with Python installation. So import, so I import requests module as request. The module name is requests with S, and I have named the module as request. Now suppose I want to get the data of some random cat. I would simply use the get method of the request module, that is request dot get, and I would simply pass the link to the API, that is at fact.ninja / fact. Now data contains JSON body of this HTTPS whole link. So what if I simply print the data here? See, so this is only printing the response status. 200 means okay, yes, we have sent the get request to this URL and we have correspondingly get the response. So now we want to see the body, we want the content of that request, that get request that we have sent. So we will simply use the JSON method on this object. So as you can see, this is the fact. The smallest wild cat today is the black footed cat. The females are less than 20 inches and can be as little as 2.5 pounds, and their length is 145. So this is the simplest way to send a get request through Python via requests module, and requests module comes by default with Python installation. You don't have to pip install anything else.